I'm gonna shoot you. Don't come closer, man.
In Pear Blossom, California, on February 23, 2024, at 6:32 a.m., deputies from the Palmdale station were called to a gas station on the 13,000 block of Pear Blossom Highway. The report described a disturbing situation. A man was armed with a sharp object and threatening to stab the victim if she didn't call the police. The suspect, later identified as 30-year-old Joseph Henson from Pear Blossom, was spotted by deputies walking eastbound away from the gas station, still holding the sharp object. Despite repeated commands to show his hands and drop the weapon, Henson ignored the deputies. They pursued him in their vehicle as he continued moving toward another business.
Hey! 1033, give me the patch. Let me see your hands! Hey! Come over here! Hey, attention Palmdale units, Palmdale 26. Is now walking away from our patrol vehicle. Confirmed he is holding like possibly a screwdriver or a knife, walking away from us. Don't come any closer, man. Don't come any closer, man. Drop it. Drop it. Don't come any closer.
Look at me. Just look at me.
Don't come any closer, man. If you keep coming closer, I'm gonna have to shoot you, man. Don't make me do this. Please.
Please. Look at me. Don't.
Stop, man. Don't come closer. I'm gonna shoot you. Don't come closer, man. I'm in fear for my life, man. I don't want to get hurt. Please drop it, man. Don't make me shoot you.
Out of the store now? Yeah. Okay, we're making contact with the DP now.
Hey! 1033, give me the patch. Let me see your hands! Hey! Come over here! Hey, attention Palmdale units, Palmdale 265. Adam's going to be detaining a 245 suspect at gunpoint. We're going to be facing east, right behind the market, facing the gas pumps. Suspect is unco-op at this time, has his hand in his jacket pocket. Unknown if he is holding the knife at this point. Hey man, just relax and hand out. You're not in trouble. We're just trying to figure out what's going on and we'll be out of here.
Copy, John unit. 10 minutes to respond.
Hey man, just relax. Just walk over here, take whatever's in your hand out of your pocket and walk towards us, okay?
265 Adams going to be detaining at gunpoint facing eastbound. You're going to be behind the market.
Take your hands out, man. Hey, break the traffic. Suspect is still uncooperative. He is facing our car, approximately 20 feet away from our car, has his hand in his jacket pocket, and appears to be holding an object in his hand, but we're unable to determine at this point what it is. Take your hand out of your pocket.
Thank you.
Drop it.
Drop it on the ground. Let him walk away.
All right, suspect is now walking away from our patrol vehicle. Confirmed he is holding like possibly a screwdriver or a knife, walking away from us. Suspect is walking west now, in the parking lot. Now he's stopped. Hey man, come over here. No, we're not gonna shoot you, man. Come over here. Come over here, man. No, come over here. Hey, sir, walk away. Come over here. Drop whatever's in your hand. Drop whatever's in your hand, man. Don't do this, please. Please don't do this, man. Drop whatever's in your hand. Drop whatever's in your hand. I don't want to do this, man. If you come close to me, I'm going to shoot you. If you come close to me, I'm gonna shoot you. Don't do this. If you come close to me, I'm gonna shoot you, man. Don't do this. Please, man, don't do this. Don't do this. No. I don't want to do this, man. Please. Don't make me shoot you. Please.
Hey, man, look at me. I just got here.
So I can keep on reading.
No, man. Drop whatever's in your hand, man. If you keep coming close to me, I'm gonna shoot you.
Dude. Look at me, man. I just got here. Talk to me. What's going on, man? Explain to me.
If you come close to us, man, we're gonna shoot you. I don't want to shoot you. No. No, drop whatever's in your hand, man. I don't want to.
Just talk to me. What's going on, man? Talk to me. I just got here. Explain to me what's going on. Let's talk about it.
No, hey, please don't come close and please take out whatever's in your hand. Please. I don't want to shoot you, man. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to me. It's not worth it to me. And it's not worth it to you. So drop whatever's in your hand and come talk to me, man. No, I don't want to. I'm telling you, please, just drop whatever's in your hand, but don't come any closer because I am going to have to shoot you. It's not worth it, man. Please don't make me do this. Please, don't make me do this, please. Don't come any closer, man. Don't come any closer, man. Drop it. Drop it. Don't come any closer.
Look at me. Just look at me.
Don't come any closer, man. If you keep coming closer, I'm going to have to shoot you, man. Don't make me do this. Please.
Please. Look at me. Don't.
Stop, man. Don't come closer. I'm going to shoot you. Don't come closer, man. I'm in fear for my life, man. I don't want to get hurt. Please drop it, man. Don't make me shoot you.
We're on it's all part on 2000 eastbound.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it! Drop it! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Drop it! Drop it! Turn around! Turn around!
I'm gonna move this.
In Los Angeles, California, on Saturday, February 17th, 2024, at approximately 1 p.m., Wilshire Division officers were patrolling near San Vicente Boulevard and Fairfax Avenue when their automatic license plate reader detected a stolen vehicle. The officers spotted the stolen vehicle traveling east on San Vicente Boulevard, driven by 21-year-old Ian Jimenez. After confirming the vehicle was stolen, the officers requested backup as Jimenez suddenly accelerated at high speed. A pursuit ensued but was quickly called off when Jimenez collided with another vehicle, causing minor injuries to the occupant. Jimenez then fled the scene on foot into a nearby neighborhood. Officers set up a perimeter, and Metropolitan Division K-9 units were deployed to conduct a search.
What's up? Hey, let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go of him! What? Let go of him! What? Hey, let go! What? Hold that way. 2 and 15, let me know when your positions are to start. What? Oh. Hey, let go of my dog! Let go of him! Let go of him! What? Let go of him! What? Hey, let go! What? What? Let go of him! What? Let go! Hey, let's leave go! Let's leave go!
Hang tight. I'm with you, Dan. I'm with you.
Let go! Get down!
Hold on. Don't run! Do not run!
Get down!
Get down on the ground!
Turn around!
Down on the ground!
Turn around! Turn around!
It's okay, put him down. Just put him down. I'm gonna cover him with a handcuff. On the ground!
Hey,
On the ground!
get on the ground!
On the ground. Okay, just put in a holster. Just put in a holster and you're gonna handcuff. On the ground. On the ground. You ready?
Bro,
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. On the ground. There you go. All the way down.
get on the ground.
All the way down.
Turn around! Turn around! Turn around!
In Volusia County, Florida, on March 14, 2024, at approximately 3:45 p.m., Volusia Sheriff's deputies were patrolling the beach north of Flagler Avenue when they heard a commotion and shouts of, "He has a gun!" The deputies quickly ran toward the scene and spotted 16-year-old Felixander Solis Guzman brandishing a handgun. The deputies drew their firearms and advanced toward Felixander, ordering him to drop the weapon. Instead, Felixander fled, running through crowds and into the ocean, where he threw the gun and a bag into the water. Around 3:50 p.m., Felixander finally complied with commands, raised his hands, and surrendered to deputies. He was taken into custody without further incident.
Front of Tower 409. 409. Tower 409. John, watch your cover. You want me to get a car, Sergeant? You want me to get a car over here? Have a car. I need to block off Flagler. I need some marked units getting these people out of here. Hey, wait! He may have another gun. Do not advance. Do not advance. 1 Alpha 10 Central. Air 1, I need a K9. I need units to clear the beach. He threw one gun in the water. I don't know if he has another one. Hey! New Smyrna! Cover! Cover, grab your rifle. That's fine. That's fine.
Hey, go stand, go get
Doors out, grab another car. I'm gonna go grab another car. Go grab John's car.
Stan, go get your truck!
You can bring one down here. My biggest concern right now is the backdrop of all the people. I need the beach cleared the best we can behind Tower 409. I need a third car to come up to New Smyrna officers so they have cover. Hey, go down there for cover.
Hey, Stan, go over there.
I got an AR. He's walking towards us with his hands up. Jenkins, give commands.
PA? Oh, do you want me to switch to less?
What?
You want me to switch to less lethal?
Yes, I need one.
Keep your head!
Show me your hands! Walk towards me! Walk towards me!
Yeah, PA.
Hey! Hey! Stop! Turn around!
Stop where you are. Turn around. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Walk back towards me slowly.
We have compliance.
Keep walking backwards.
He's taking verbal command. Stand by.
Keep walking. Stop right there. Stop. Keep your hands in the air. Drop your phone. Drop your phone. Turn around. Back away.
Keep your hands up!
All right, keep walking backwards. Keep your hands in the air. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Stand!
Keep coming.
Stan, you're receiving, I got you!
Stop. Stop walking.
I got you! Never mind.
Drop to your knees. Drop to your knees. Put your hands on top of your head. Keep up the knees.
Back up! Back up! Everybody back up! 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 Back up!
Take it.
Hey, watch that black bag that he dropped in there.